Every year you set goals. Every year, motivation carries you for 2 weeks and then vanishes without explanation. The problem isn't that you're weak. The problem is that motivation is temporary and you've been depending on it for permanent results. Discipline is different. It's a skill you can build deliberately. Here's exactly how. Step 1. Make the habit so small it feels almost embarrassing. 1 push-up, 5 minutes of reading, 1 paragraph. This sounds trivial, but it solves the real problem, the barrier to starting. Discipline is built through repetition, not intensity. A 5-minute habit you do every day is worth infinitely more than a 1-hour habit you quit after 3 days. Start smaller than you think you need to. You can always scale up. Step 2. Attach your new habit to something you already do automatically. After I pour my coffee, I meditate. After I sit at my desk, I write. After I finish lunch, I walk for 10 minutes. This is called habit stacking, and it works because existing behaviors already have strong neural pathways. You're not trying to build willpower from nothing. You're borrowing momentum from something your brain already does on autopilot. Step 3. Accept that you will miss a day. Then refuse to miss 2 in a row. Missing once is a bad day. Missing twice is the start of a new pattern. Research on habit formation consistently shows that a single missed day has almost no effect on long-term habit strength, but streaks of missed days do. The rule is simple. You're allowed to have off days. You're not allowed to let one off day become 2. Non-negotiable. Step 4. Deliberately expose yourself to discomfort every day. Take a cold shower. Skip 1 meal. Do the hard task first. Sit with boredom for 15 minutes without reaching for your phone. Every time you choose discomfort over comfort when it doesn't cost you anything, you are strengthening the exact mental muscle that discipline runs on. You're practicing the decision to override your impulses. That practice transfers to everything else in your life. Step 5. Make your consistency visible. Use a habit tracker, a simple X on a calendar, an app, anything with a streak counter. Jerry Seinfeld's "Don't break the chain" method works because visual progress creates its own motivation. After 14 days of X's, you won't want to break the chain. Not for any noble reason, but because you don't want to lose what you've built. Use that psychological quirk to your advantage. Track everything you care about. Start small. Stack your habits on existing triggers. Never miss twice. Train with discomfort daily and track your streak. Do this for 30 days and you won't recognize your own level of output. Subscribe to Level Up Daily. New video every other day. See you in the next one.